We PMS.
Oh, you're going there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just go
yeah.
straight
Yeah,
in.
yeah. You need to talk to God in this time. Don't think, oh, I can't talk to God about all this because of our taboo. Because of our taboo society, God is not like that. I will tell him, I'm like, God, what is going on? Why to me like this? And like, Jesus didn't go through this.
He won't get it. When the emotions get
Yeah.
extreme, you just want to shut yourself
Yeah.
down.
For me, it matters a lot that the person understands what I'm going through. It's also like a test in that time. Even when I'm going through these crazy emotions, I will be a Christian. I will be loving. and interestingly, in the Old Testament, women were actually given time off. And I was like, that's a good design. That would be nice. What it means is God knows that sometimes we need a little just sit, and it's okay.
So this is very women to women.
Uh-huh.
kind of
Okay, I'm gonna
question.
just shut up then.
So, we PMS,
Mhm.
right?
Oh, you're going there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just go
yeah.
straight in.
Yeah, yeah.
So, your emotions are all over the
Oh,
place,
yeah.
right?
Already they were. Then on
Yeah,
top of
like
that,
this is
yeah.
just the icing and
like-
the cherry on the top,
yeah.
So, how do you deal with emotions and God?
That's good. So I've talked to God in those times, and I want to tell all the women watching, please talk
Oh,
to God in those
50%
times.
of our audience is female.
That's
so,
great.
Yeah.
That's a nice audience ratio.
Yeah.
You need to talk to God in this time. Don't think, oh, I can't talk to God about all this because of our taboo. Because of our taboo society, God is not like the taboo, men in the society.
Mhm.
So I will tell him, I'm like, God, what is going on? Why to me like this? Why
There
like
she
this?
is. There she is. There's the voice.
Lord, have mercy, Lord. And like, Jesus didn't go through this.
Yeah, he won't get it.
Jesus didn't go through this. But then God told me, He's talked to me so much about these things. He's like, I made emotions. I made women. So who's the source of women? God. And we are made in the image of God. So we have a part from Him. That means He completely and totally 100%, 1000%, first of all, understands what we're going through. And then another thing which He told me, which is really brutal. Jesus didn't have PMS, but He bled for hours and hours in a way that I hope we will never. So we can't think first, like for me, it matters a lot that the person understands what I'm going through. So this really touched me to realize that, okay, Jesus knows all about, this may sound weird, but He knows all about bleeding. And so he would know all about the emotions that go with it, much more than we can ever think. So dealing with that, the only way I can deal with that, first of all, I'll warn my family when these things are happening, like, beware, okay?
Just stay
Give
a
me
little,
some grace,
yeah.
okay? Give me some grace. But secondly, God will also tell me, don't make it an excuse that you can just act however you want. You are still called to control yourself.
About
Yeah.
approach.
Control yourself. Mind yourself.
Yeah, be mindful. be
Yeah, you
demure.
need. So it's also like a test in that time. Even when I'm going through these crazy emotions, I will be a Christian. I will be loving.
But it's so hard.
It's terribly hard.
Like, just don't come in front of me.
Yeah,
Like, I love you.
uncontrollable anger. But God said the Holy Spirit will guide you, and it applies to everything a woman goes through. He's given us a spirit of self-control. So these are the ways God really helps me.
But like when when the emotions get extreme, you
Yeah.
just want to shut yourself down.
Yeah.
It's just I have like really bad mood swings.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
I would be crying like crazy, and then
High five.
and then I'll just be so happy like nothing happened.
High five.
And then
All the way.
so it's very
I have cried in an animation movie for no reason.
dude, I cried at
Good.
like the most unfunny reel. I was like, why is it so
I
bad?
was like, that cartoon is dying. Ah. It was so weird. It was
Oh,
so
wow.
weird. And the next minute, I'm laughing hysterically. So
Yeah.
I understand.
So when these emotions like just pop up, I I just stop. Like, I just feel very overwhelmed, overstimulated.
Mm.
And it gets very hard for me to converse with God
Mm.
after that.
Mm.
So, like, one thing that I found is just, even if your emotions are like all over the place, just sit in silence. Like, sit
Yeah.
quiet and just stay with the Lord.
Yeah.
And but
That's
it's
fine.
just,
Sometimes we need a time out, and it's okay.
yeah.
A time off, time out, however you want to put it. We don't have to. We don't have to be on all the time. We can just relax, just chill out. Sometimes God will tell me, take the day off. Like, I'm a really hardworking person. Sometimes just chill today.
Like you say, take a chill pill.
Yeah.
She says that to me a lot.
Ah.
It's just so
You're
annoying.
always
sometimes.
like, dude, I haven't done this, I haven't done this. Like, I have so much to do. I don't want to mess up. And I'm
Yeah.
like, bro, just take a chill for you got this.
And but when
Yeah.
I say that to her, she doesn't listen. I say the same thing to her.
Now.
I hate saying it like chill pill, but I still say that just to like tell her like you used to tell me this.
Mm.
Now I'm telling you this, but she still doesn't listen.
Now remind, maybe God is, telling through him, just
Take a
chill.
chill pill.
Yeah, and vice versa. And interestingly, in the Old Testament, women were actually given time off, quite a few days in the month. And I was like, that's a good design, actually. That would be nice. So what it means is, God knows that sometimes we need a little, just sit,
Take a break.
and it's okay. I know companies don't allow that, but as much as possible,